mwami na lukola ngali kuva kutale center bali bamwise
sebo
bamusazeku ati amekupicha abalumuke kwa bafire bamunaze that kind of impunity that kind of impunity
and corresponding ajali
kukolebwa ebitongole bya government wabwene ku waliwo forum mwemu wajeta busoga seke nabo na RDC wifo wajinja district mwami kibwika nga ataipinza alikoba nti bana tuli kurecruitinga aba police aya abantu baidinda district ngati muli ku responding abantu bakoyo okwegaita ku bitongole ebitulugunya abantu baida kubyega ku government eterere because
in fact nali ni
abana baife bato
nali nala sisi
bakako kutulugunya abantu bakoye
nali nala sisi
mwami kibwika ndi otatambula wife ku mobilize abantu kuja police
nali nala sisi
bakoye kutulugunya abantu
nali nala sisi oidinda yanko bantu by Tuesday ku bantu 98 abali basabe police kwali ku 10 abasoga Jinja City 1 ku bantu 98 yankoba only 12 basoga abali basabyo kubungira mu police era nambuza nti what is the problem yakatwe nda ku finding out
basoga emitima emirungi tibacha kujja mu kutulugunya
ndikwenda kuida ye mwami mubiru a concept ya gali nge bali kujogera ku mwami musana akobye nti enare myazimba zimbira gali dayo diri wodona
mperano chirunja bana ife banange bano bona bogeite ensi ne bawulirisa
yes
era ensi bawulirisa ndowooza sawa eno cheri kulowooza zena chemba ile nga ndowooza ku concept ye gali
nechiru echo
he has accepted my muko oyo muko lugado oyo muko ilume wange muise igaga omukazi wange muise igaga
eyo katuje mutole
mperano kodi mwaenda muidize mwani na akikobye ku record kwen DS1 a few minutes ago nti wobanga tosobola kuzimba gali ngesobola okumanejinga okola violence akalulu kavwema oba irawo nga tosobola violence otagida muki mukalulu tina echo nendo okwogera ku muzindalo kuno nganka akulambulula kintu kino bulungi okwincitinga abantu baife into acts of violence iwo mulenzi weno omuvubuka oli eyo niba noikiriza niba kwincitinga mugali daiwe ngokwida kola violence ngokwida ge mama bale kukuba aba police kukuba aba iserikale lamira irala lira ku irala kamere yes ndichogera
wo ai gali dibiro odukira
mera ediyo bala disi
ano
bogere bigambe
mubiru
I am a professional to go back to class and teach ayenganta asisa
mwami mubiru katona ino mu 2016 FDC ali ni power 10 eyalinga concept ya gali NRM beni asatu na mulala asatu ku village level right abakuma akalulu. What's wrong with abantu
ndikuwa submission ya let them keep quiet. I kept quiet.
I
kept quiet and I listened to them.
Vision 20.
Yeah, listening.
Most especially this boom, but always chips in and makes noise when I'm talking. Let him keep quiet.
What defiance?
This is submit.
This is how we interpret a gali Bobby Wine jayalangirire. Imwagavubuka agamani. Muje mukole mugeme emigo mugema amabali
bigambya Bobi Wine
our interpretation of the God
interpretation ya iwe
okay jamma isosebo
mufune enkuku munonye agayigugano embukuli muje munwendai munobli kitamiza mukola amaiso n'obwongo muvwe mwambalagane ni police nendo bakoba munweleira mulamire irala. There is no government. Let me tell you this. On several occasions and on several platforms, Bobi Wine avideyo yakoba ntibaida kuikiriza government yeno kutuka mu 2026 ngekali. On so many platforms. Era nga tujja kawempe yasoka akola parade. Ensi eno yayo neidinga yakola era mu parade je yakola ekavule. Nga enkuba y'abantu gye bali kuba mu omugulu enkumba nga bana tiyabulido nga ifanisa kwa bana maji so nga government nga security statement said we dibadi bayirewo kai akalunikawa kana ke kawempe naida kumizinda alonge nso yajo nibana nako avuka muje mukole egali mwambala gani n'amagi. We can't take that as a slight mistake. Chovobo na ife tuliva abavuka mu NRM. Kwenda government eveyo inonereze ku statement say they reckless edisobolo sinikense no mukuyuwa omusayi. Atenga emyaka 40 almost. Tubaire stable, tuline idembe, tulina ensi ife ndika ikamweza mukuyuwa omusayi. But if someone comes out right now inciting the public which can plunge this country into turmoil, please, if abavuka tulikoba NRM, I mean government value bitam constitution Bobi Wine mugeme muvunana era let him explain why fatulowoza nti kino kyefaniza apo ekyo kulikutinga obiyekera munsi ife because the gangs have led to downfall. I mean to
gali
mubiru ajimaleyo gangs have led to the downfall of dictators which is legal. Yes, of dictatorial governments which is legal.
Gali
Bobi Wine that they are probably abavubuka because the height that our government a height height is now a failed state. Lwakuba government yali ingirira bana abavubuka okuba sinika mbikole byekigwagwa okuba kozesa okuida okulwana government nini nendo bakobera nendo oja kumpa information. You people I gave you time, you know,
proceed
nendo baidusa
ona atero unzika
nti government yen eri ku virtue omulama gwa government yen kukuma abantu
baba swachi ba feeling and batisa ino
no tikubatisa omulama gwa government yen nibwe twali akweni byesera nakoba nti ni 10-point program point esoka yali ya democracy which is exercised akaluka tuli jam bano baida kumuzindalo wan nibakoba nti egali era tujadi koesa polling station izi okuma akalulu.
Okay.
President Museveni yavaayo bayima awo yakoba kibamu ibo bululu emiliyoni namba.
Yes.
Through egali zio de bali koba abalenza abali violent bajja polling stations bascalinga ba mama atife
mama egali denarem died lamba
bascalinga bagiziba NRM okujja okulonda
kale
era webegeme egali
by powers invested in me as a moderator like our information.